Hello lovelies, come on in. We have some nail tips here to decorate, and I am doing probably one of my favourite colour schemes today, which is blush pink. So going in then with this beautiful colour from Madame Glam called Pirouette, and I'm going to be, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a couple of full nails with this, and then I'm also then going to be sort of doing a bit of a half on, as you can see there, what would sort of be, let me see now, it'd be the ring and the pointer finger, I guess, if you're looking at this here as a 5 set as is. So yeah, I'm doing half of, just half of that nail and getting it kind of as neat as possible. I just kind of want to marry those up, but I'm not going to go too, you know, too OTT with it because we are going to be covering that little line. And then I'm doing the middle nail in a full white gel polish, and again I'm going to be doing the other two nails. I'm going to be marrying that pink up. I should say at this point I have cured the pink, so I know it's kind of not going to bleed in. I don't want to create an ombre, I just kind of want to marry those two up because, like I say, we're going to be covering up that line later anyway. So once I am happy with that, they will go into the lamp. Just a quick side note though, this reminds me, these colours together, of, like, you know those drumstick squashy sweeties? They're so nice, by the way. But that's what it put me in mind of. Anyway, this is I'm Blushing, and I adore this glitter. It is the most beautiful blush pink. It is gorgeous. And again, I'm just kind of using a detailer brush there just to lift the little bits. I actually really enjoy using a detailer brush to lift glitter because I can be a little bit more precise kind of with it. And I sort of, sometimes I find the bigger brushes are a little bit clunky with it, so I do sort of like sneakily use just a little detailer, and then I can sort of like fill in the bits and sort of set bits here and there. I've just got a bit more control because I'm a bit, I don't know, I'm a bit kind of like funny about glitter placement. I have a, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I've cured that in the lamp, and then I'm going in to encapsulate this here with the rubber base by Madame Glam, which I am loving for encapsulating. I'm just making sure that all of that's covered, giving it time to sort of sink into the glitter, and then turning it upside down so that gravity will give it a helping hand. Once that's out of the lamp, then I am wiping off that dispersion layer, and I am giving it a little buff over with a mini sort of a little buffer block. These are brilliant, really good, really handy, and just wiping off that dust, and it makes such a difference, by the way. So if you don't already buff your encapsulated nails, you need to get doing it. Anyways, I'm going in with these beautiful water decals, and this is sort of the little spring type bouquets, and this is some base coat here that I am going in with. Water decals adhere a whole heap better whenever you have a tacky layer. What I'm going to be doing, obviously, is I use my stamper. This is the little sort of cleanup sheets by Clear Jelly Stamper. They're amazing. So if you haven't got that for your stamper and you do a lot of stamping, get those. They are brilliant and reusable. So as you can see, I'm just adding my decal as I normally do. Applying the water, just taking off then the little backing after about sort of 10-15 seconds, and then I can just go ahead and smooth this very gently on the nail. And again, I'm doing another design as well too, just below it, just to kind of like fill it out a little bit. So yeah, just putting those two little posies on, and then you can trim any excess off with some scissors before you top coat. I don't worry too much about it because I always file off any excess anyway. And then I'm just going to top coat that and pop it into the lamp for a cure. And then this is me then just tidying up that nail, just filing off any little bits that are left over from the top coating, making sure it's all smooth and finished. So on to the final design, and again, I'm just going in with these water decals, and I'm just going to place that onto the white portion of the nail. This reminds me so much of those sweeties, that nail, just looking at it right now. And I'm just kind of stamping that on before just, again, just kind of like very, very gently pressing out any wee creasing and just making sure that it is all adhered nicely to that bit. So I've got out my Born Pretty stamping plate, and I love this stamping plate. It would be my most used. And I'm going in with this lovely rosebud design right here, which I think is perfect. This is the Neweer UK stamping gel polish. It is amazing. And you've got plenty of time to work with it too, because obviously, you know, it's curable. So yeah, if you're sugaring glitter onto a stamping design, this is the one that you want to go for. It is fantastic. See how easy it picks up. I love it. Like I say, I will pop the link below for you because it can be a wee bit tricky to find on their website. So I'm just, as you can see, stamping that in, and then I pop that in for a cure for 60 seconds. This then is some base coat that I'm just going to cross that little join with. And again, I'm just adding in a few little bits of that eye blush, and just to kind of pull it in with our full glitter nail and kind of just, you know, pull the design together. So yeah, I'm just kind of placing those again with my detailer brush. I just like to do that. It's a thing. I just enjoy it that way. But now we're going to go in and encapsulate all that with some rubber base. Just make sure that everything is nicely covered. And then I'll turn that upside down, let gravity do its thing. And then it is time to cure that. And then I'll go in for a final top coat. And that is our design finished. That is it. That is the full set. Really quick and really easy actually. And it looks a lot, but it's pretty straightforward. And yeah, I just love these colours. What's your thoughts on blush pink? Do you like this set? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed creating these, and thank you guys as always for your lovely comments, your support. It means so much. So have a great week, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.